Ever wondered which are the most poisonous animals in the world? Today we're taking a thrilling journey into the realm of the most venomous creatures that inhabit our planet. We'll be counting down the top 5, each with its own deadly cocktail of toxins. Now you might be wondering, what makes an animal poisonous? Well, it's simple. An animal is considered poisonous if it produces a toxin harmful to others through its metabolism. This means that the creature doesn't have to bite or sting for you to feel the effects of its poison. Sometimes just touching or even ingesting it can lead to severe consequences. From the deserts to the deep seas, these animals have evolved with these potent defenses to survive in some of the harshest environments. Their lethal capabilities may be terrifying, but they are also undeniably fascinating. So, are you ready to plunge into this dangerous yet fascinating world? Let's dive in. Starting our countdown at number 5, we have the Stalker scorpion. Lurking in the arid deserts of the Middle East and North Africa is a creature that, despite its unassuming size, carries a lethal punch. This is the Stalker scorpion, a name that sends shivers down the spine. This menacing moniker is well-deserved, for the Stalker is not a creature to be trifled with. The Stalker scorpion is a small creature, usually measuring between 2 to 3 inches long. It's a master of camouflage, blending seamlessly into its sandy surroundings, waiting patiently to strike its prey. But don't let its size fool you. What it lacks in stature, it more than makes up for with its venom. The venom of the Stalker scorpion is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, among the most powerful of any scorpion species. This venom is capable of causing unbearable pain, fever, convulsions, paralysis, and in extreme cases, it can lead to heart failure. While healthy adults may survive a sting with medical attention, children, the elderly, or those with heart or respiratory conditions are at a far greater risk. It's not all doom and gloom, though. Interestingly, components of the Stalker scorpion's venom are being studied for their potential in treating human diseases. Some researchers are exploring the venom's use in shrinking brain tumors and regulating insulin levels in diabetes patients. Who would have thought that such a small creature could hold such significant medical potential? However, this doesn't make them any less dangerous in the wild. If you ever find yourself in their desert habitats, it's best to give these little critters a wide berth. They may be small, but they are mighty, and they won't hesitate to defend themselves if they feel threatened. Despite its small size, the Stalker scorpion certainly packs a punch, doesn't it? Coming in at number 4, we have a poisonous creature from the deep sea, the blue-ringed octopus. This octopus, despite its small size, carries enough venom to endanger the lives of 26 full-grown humans. That's right, don't let its cute appearance fool you. The blue-ringed octopus calls the Pacific and Indian Oceans home, comfortably residing in the tide pools and coral reefs. It's not a large creature by any means. In fact, it's quite petite, with its body barely reaching the size of a golf ball. But remember, in the world of poisonous creatures, size doesn't always matter. What makes it so deadly is its venom, a potent cocktail of neurotoxins known as tetrodotoxin. This is the same toxin found in some pufferfish, but the blue-ringed octopus carries it in much higher concentrations. What's even more chilling is that there's no known antivenom available. A single bite from this little creature can lead to paralysis, and if left untreated, can be fatal. When the blue-ringed octopus feels threatened, it reveals its namesake blue rings. These vibrant blue and black rings are a clear warning sign to any potential predators, a sign that says, "Stay away or you'll regret it." It's a classic case of aposematism, where a creature uses bright colors to signal its toxicity. But what happens when a human gets bitten? Well, the first signs are mild and may include numbness or a tingling sensation. But as the toxin spreads, it can cause muscle weakness and difficulty breathing. In severe cases, it can lead to complete respiratory failure. Immediate medical attention is critical in such situations. The blue-ringed octopus is a perfect example of why we should respect all creatures, no matter how small or seemingly harmless. It's a reminder that the most dangerous threats can sometimes come in the most unassuming packages. So, the next time you're exploring the ocean's depths, remember to give these little guys a wide berth. This small octopus proves that danger can come in the most unexpected of shapes and sizes. Hopping into the third spot on our list, we have the colorful yet deadly poison dart frog, These vibrant creatures, small as they are, pack a punch with their lethal toxin. They can be found in the lush, tropical rainforests of Central and South America, making their homes in the moist, humid undergrowth. These frogs are petite, rarely growing larger than 2.5 centimeters. But don't let their small stature fool you. A single poison dart frog carries enough poison to kill 10 grown men. This poison is secreted through their skin, a defense mechanism that deters predators from making a meal out of them. The poison of the poison dart frog is not just deadly, it's excruciating. Symptoms of exposure can include severe pain, stiffness, nausea, and in severe cases, paralysis and death. This potent toxin affects the nervous system, disrupting the regular functioning of nerve cells, ultimately leading to heart failure. Now, you might be wondering where the dart in poison dart frog comes from. This name can be traced back to indigenous tribes of Central and South America. These tribes have a history of tipping their blowgun darts with the frog's poison, a practice that gave these frogs their notorious name. Interestingly, these tribes have managed to extract the poison without harming the frogs. They would carefully agitate the frog to stimulate the secretion of the poison, then collect it. This poison would remain potent on the dart for up to a year, making it a highly effective hunting tool. But despite their deadly nature, these frogs play a crucial role in their ecosystem. They help control insect populations, and their bright colors serve as a warning to potential predators, maintaining a delicate balance in their habitats. Aesthetically pleasing yet lethal, the poison dart frog is truly a paradox of nature. Small yet powerful, vibrant yet deadly. It serves as a vibrant reminder of the incredible diversity and hidden dangers that lurk in the world's tropical rainforests. Slithering into the second spot is the world's most venomous snake, the inland taipan. This lethal serpent hails from the arid regions of Central Australia, where it elegantly glides through the desolate sands and rocky terrains, ruling its domain with a deadly reign. The inland taipan is no gigantic monster. It averages around 6 feet in length, but don't be fooled by its relatively modest size. It's the venom that this snake carries that truly commands respect. This snake's venom is a potent cocktail of neurotoxins, myotoxins, and coagulants that can cause paralysis, muscle damage, and blood clotting, respectively. When this snake senses a threat, it strikes with lightning speed and astounding accuracy, and one bite? Well, it's enough to take down 100 full-grown men or 250,000 mice. That's right, a single bite from this snake is that potent. What happens if you're bitten by an inland taipan? Initial symptoms can include nausea, vomiting, and abdominal pain. This can quickly escalate to paralysis and internal bleeding. Without immediate treatment, a bite from an inland taipan can be fatal in as little as 30 to 45 minutes. Despite its deadly venom, the inland taipan is actually quite shy and typically avoids human interaction. However, if threatened, it can and will defend itself with deadly force. The inland taipan is a prime example of why we should always respect what nature has to offer. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The most poisonous creature on our planet, the box jellyfish. Lurking in the waters of the Pacific and Indian Oceans, this ethereal creature weaves a deadly dance. The box jellyfish, also known as the sea wasp, is not just a jellyfish, it's a floating death sentence. With a bell that can reach up to 10 inches in diameter and tentacles that stretch an incredible 10 feet, it's a sight to behold, but certainly not one you'd want to encounter up close. Though delicate in appearance, the box jellyfish packs a lethal punch. Its tentacles are lined with millions of specialized cells called cnidocytes, each containing a tiny, spring-loaded venomous dart. When brushed against, these darts fire, injecting a potent venom into the unsuspecting victim. So, what happens when a human has the misfortune of crossing paths with a box jellyfish? The venom attacks the heart, nervous system, and skin cells, leading to an array of symptoms. These can range from a painful sting and skin welts to heart failure in severe cases. The venom is so potent, in fact, that it can cause death within minutes if not treated immediately. With the ability to deliver a sting even after death, the box jellyfish isn't just a passive threat. It's a silent, deadly predator lurking beneath the ocean's surface. With its potent venom, the box jellyfish truly reigns supreme in the world of poisonous creatures. So there you have it, the top 5 most poisonous animals in the world. From the lethal sting of the death stalker scorpion, the striking colors of the blue-ringed octopus that hide a deadly venom, the deceptive beauty of the poison dart frog, the intimidating inland taipan with its potent bite, to the ghostly and deadliest box jellyfish. These creatures remind us of the potent power hidden in nature's smallest packages. Always remember, it's a wild world out there, so tread carefully and respect the creatures we share it with.